In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide grid lines on your board in Chrome. If you want a cleaner workspace or you need a visual guide to help with alignment, adjusting your grid settings is a quick and useful change. The grid can make it easier to organize objects, space elements evenly, and keep your board looking neat. On the other hand, if you find the grid distracting, you can also turn it off just as easily. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can switch the grid display based on how you prefer to work. To begin, open your board in Chrome. Make sure the board is fully loaded so all of the interface options are available and easy to access. Once you're on the board, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the main menu icon. This is where you'll find several board level settings and preferences. After opening the main menu, choose Preferences. This section contains options that control how your board looks and behaves, so it's the right place to adjust visual settings like the grid. Inside Preferences, select Grid Settings. When you open this area, you'll see the available grid display options for your board. This is where you can decide whether you want the grid to appear and what style you want it to use. Now click Grid Mode. Depending on the current setting, you can toggle between line grid and dot grid. Changing this setting updates how the grid is displayed on your board. A line grid gives you a more structured visual framework, which can be helpful if you're placing content in rows and columns or trying to keep items precisely aligned. A dot grid offers a lighter visual guide, which can feel less crowded while still helping you position things consistently. If your goal is simply to change the appearance of the grid, switching between these two modes is all you need to do. As you toggle the setting, pay attention to which option feels most comfortable for the type of work you're doing. Some people prefer line grids for layout-heavy boards, while others like dot grids for brainstorming or more open visual planning. And that's it. Once you've selected the grid mode you want, you can return to your board and continue working with the display style that suits you best. It only takes a few clicks, and it's an easy way to make your workspace more visually comfortable and organized.